Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TDW. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but yeah, a pretty rough day here. Although the bulls showed a little signs of strength with a late day push there. So that's kind of the main focal point here is, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls getting ready to bounce? Or is that just kind of a little temporary dead cat bounce here? And really the easiest way to gauge that, and this will insult everybody's intelligence, but this also just proves why I love charts, because when you look at charts a certain way, they really do insult your intelligence and make things pretty straightforward. If this is the start of something bigger, well then that needs to be the low, right? Because if this is not the start of something bigger and the price goes down here and breaks down through there, well then by definition, of course this was not the start, because now the price is lower than where it all started. So, and again, I'm not trying to say that to insult your intelligence, but I'm assuming saying, yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. Of course, if the price breaks to new lows, then this move here is not the start of something bigger. So, case in point, initial area of support, an important area, is right there at 66 cents. The other way to kind of measure, is this the start of something bigger, is the strength of the move. Now, how can you gauge the strength? Well, that's where levels of resistance come into play. And the first quote-unquote strength test, or in technical terms, point of resistance, right here at the 75-cent mark. You can see, while the nice bounce was occurring, 75 cents is eventually where the sellers step back in. So, if this is the start of something bigger, well, then another sign of not only staying above 66 cents, but pushing up above 75 cents and then maintaining above it would be that next step. As far as next levels of resistance after 75, it's really all about the purple line up there. At that point in time, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize that line's way up there. The price is way down there. But keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. But before I even talk about or worry about the 50-period, first got to get up through 75 cents. So without question, the price had a very interesting ending with a big volume, and the price did start to bounce. Is this the start of something bigger? Well, we shall see, but 66 cents has got to hold, and then that first strength point right there at 75 cents. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.